How to quickly add members to your Facebook group and grow fast. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Growing a Facebook group quickly involves a combination of both the organic strategies and potentially some paid method. However, we avoid some of the paid method as this could be harmful for us and you. So here is a quick breakdown of effective tactic. So for this, you can head over to your Facebook and check out the group in which you want to quickly increase the engagement, such as members. Now the way to do that is to create posts that is relatable to the people. Now for an example, here is just an example of my group. I have named it as tutorial. You can name it as anything. So as a group, the concept is to attract people with similar mindset as you. So to communicate that, you have to create such engaging posts so that people can find it relevant and click on the group or the member option. Now, to engage it, firstly, you can use some of the ad campaigns that Facebook does provide you. You can use such ad campaigns. Another one is you can actually invite people. Now what you can do is you can tap on your group where you will see the invite option. Here you can invite people with a link, or you can search for people that are in your friend list. Once you do so, the people will get to know more about your group. You can ask them to share as well. By doing this, you will get some amount of decent members for your group. However, some of the strategic paid ways such as buying members or spamming posts, we do not actually recommend those to you. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.